So people seem to be liking my videos. We'll go ahead and make another one. This is my personal setup at home. My gaming PC. I have another work PC, but I ain't gonna show that one off right yet. I've got a little bit of a figure collection. And of course the star of the show here. Yeah. It's a Ryzen 9 5900 X, I think, and 2080, just base model, 32 gigs, Corsair. Yeah, accumulated a bunch of different upgrades over the time that I had this, and yeah, kind of like almost the final form, I guess. Next is, 7000 series and an upgrade. But the rest of my desk, my whole setup there, just kind of moving into this office, so cut me a little bit of slack. I'm a huge Marvel nerd. And for anybody who notices, the rest of the Guardians are missing, but they're on the way. Sure, they'll show up at some point. I got myself a live wallpaper too. Yeah. That's my favorite part about my computer right there. That little screen in there. Unfortunately, I believe it to be on its last leg, so I'm gonna have to order another one. But yeah, I think everything fits kind of together pretty well. Thanks for stopping, guys. Appreciate it.